So, this little matte black box has been sitting right here on my desk for the past week. It is a portable home theater projector that promises HD 1080p support, and it connects to basically anything with a wire, your smartphone, a laptop, a streaming box, or a gaming console. Looking at how small and affordable these things are getting, it really makes you wonder. Do you actually need a massive, expensive television anymore? Or can a tiny device like this completely replace your entire living room entertainment setup? Let's find out. If you have been watching the channel for a while, you know I love big screens. There is nothing quite like having a massive, immersive display taking up your entire wall. But traditionally, getting that true cinematic experience meant dropping thousands of dollars on a giant OLED panel or a heavy-duty projector that requires a dedicated ceiling mount and a professional audio setup. This device tries to flip that entire concept on its head. It is small enough to toss right into a backpack, it runs off a simple power cable, and it claims to give you that theater experience anywhere there is a flat surface. When you first unbox it, the build quality is surprisingly dense. It does not feel like a premium piece of aluminum, but it definitely does not feel like a cheap plastic toy either. It features a utilitarian finish that hides fingerprints well, which is great because you are going to be moving it around a lot. Around the back, you get the standard array of ports: a full-sized HDMI input, a USB port, and a dedicated headphone jack. It is a strictly wired setup, which means you do not have to deal with messy Bluetooth pairing dropouts or Wi-Fi lag, but it also means you will need the right adapters if you plan on plugging in a modern smartphone. But let us talk about the actual experience of using it, because that is what really matters. I plugged in a standard streaming box, pointed it at a plain white wall in the studio, and turned off the lights. First impressions? It is surprisingly sharp. When a company says 1080p support, it usually means the hardware can accept a high-def signal, but the actual native resolution might be lower. Here, text is perfectly readable, colors are vibrant enough for casual movie nights, and the contrast is decent as long as you keep the room completely dark. That is the classic projector caveat, though. Ambient light is the ultimate enemy. If you try to use this in a brightly lit living room in the middle of the afternoon, the image is going to look washed out. That is just basic physics. But once the sun goes down or you pull the window blinds, it completely transforms the space. We are talking about projecting a massive 100-inch screen onto a blank wall for a fraction of what a 100-inch television would cost. The built-in speaker gets loud enough for a small bedroom, though you will probably want to plug in a dedicated soundbar or headphones if you want that true cinematic punch. Where this setup really shines is its absolute versatility. Because it is so lightweight, I was able to angle it up at the ceiling while lying down in bed. It is an entirely different way to consume content. You can take it to a friend's house, set it up in a backyard for a summer movie night, or just keep it in a drawer until you are ready to use it. It completely removes the permanent footprint of a massive television. So what is the final verdict? It is not going to replace a master-tier, color-accurate monitor or a high-end gaming TV with a 120 Hz refresh rate. If you are a competitive console gamer or someone who needs pixel-perfect HDR color grading, this is not for you. But if you are looking for a fun, ultra-portable, and incredibly affordable way to get a massive screen for movies, sports, or casual gaming, this thing punches way above its weight class. It simplifies the home theater experience down to the absolute essentials. Hi guys, if you want to buy this smart home video projector, portable home theater, HD 1080p support, wired connection, compatible with mobile phone /USB/TV box /computer/laptop, then please visit the link provided in the description. The direct link is waiting for you right down below, so go ahead and check out the current pricing and availability. Make sure to let me know in the comments section down below if you would ever swap out your main television for a portable setup like this, or if you are strictly holding on to your traditional living room display for the foreseeable future. Catch you in the next one. Peace.